सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
साल 40 करोड़ बैग होते हैं चोरी। देश की टॉप ट्रैवल ऐप XIGO अब बदलेगा ये स्टोरी। देखे होंगे हजार, देखा ना होगा ऐसा जो चोर भी करेगा। XIGO KAVACH, स्मार्ट ट्रैवलर्स का स्मार्ट ताला। ये बदलता है आपके बैग पर एक इलेक्ट्रिक कवच। कुछ भी चोर को लगे झटका सच। जब कीजिए ताला दिखाए, चोर को चिल्ला के बोले,
Chore didn't pay it back. Chore didn't pay it back. Chore didn't pay it back.
फिंगरप्रिंट पर ब्लूटूथ से होता है ये अनलॉक। ताला पहचाने आपको, बाकियों को लगे शौक।
Get the Re Protection Pack for your Re to protect the lens, keep it close to you always, and take photos and videos deeper underwater. Attach the Re to the bike's handlebar using the Re bicycle bar mount and capture the joy in your child's face and yours. Use the hex key to make sure the bicycle bar mount is secured. Mount the Re to a person or even your pet, using the Re clip-on to capture from a different angle. Don't forget to secure the Re to the clip-on. If you want to capture an awesome time-lapse video, put the Re in the recharging stand to keep it steady and charged. With the Re and its accessories, you have what you need to capture life's moments.
It's the first and only dispenser for the perfect pinch of salt. With every use, TasteStick dispenses 30 milligrams of salt. That's just 1/160th of a teaspoon that sprays in a perfect pattern, so you end up with a delicious dish.
Get great tasting food with lower sodium intake for you and your family. With TasteStick, you simply pull the trigger and TasteStick dispenses the salt evenly across your food. By seasoning this way, your taste receptors receive the perfect amount of salt sensation with every bite. You will be amazed to find out how little salt is actually needed for the perfect taste when using TasteStick. TasteStick changes your food for better taste with less sodium. TasteStick is also easy to refill. The window on the side lets you know when it's time to refill. TasteStick is maintenance-free, easy to clean, and operates without batteries.
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with QooCam. QooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. QooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing QooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. QooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, QooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with QooCam. No matter how you position the camera, QooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. QooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with QooCam, the next generation of imaging.